Are you ready to take your car to the next level? Let me introduce BONOSS. As a top brand focused on optimizing the safety and performance of Mercedes AMG wheel spaces, BONOSS has been dedicated to cutting-edge design and meticulous manufacturing since 2007, with rich manufacturing and trading experience, from measurement to design, from production to testing, from packaging to sales. BONOSS promises to deliver the most professional and high-security products and service. The BONOSS Mercedes AMG wheel spacers have global patent active cooling design. The BONOSS Mercedes AMG wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better, distributed in petal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. All BONOSS Mercedes AMG wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge made the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and they have two type materials we can choose. One is aluminum alloy 6061T6, and another is aluminum alloy 6075T6. The 6061T6 for daily driving, and the 6075T6 for racing, drifting, or streaming driving. MH also grade 10 lug nut. The machine insert the lug nut use vertical material by continuous forging process. MH also grade 12.9 wheel stud. The machine wheel bolts use SCM440 steel materials. BONOSS has over 66 FGS and TV test reports. Also, BONOSS provide OEM ODM service and customization service. We can customize the wheel spacers complete in 3 to 70 days at the fastest, and you can choose the wheel spacer size from 3 mm to 160 mm and PCDCB composition. BONOSS has a complete wheel spacer production chain, offering various specifications and models. The factory is equipped with professional equipment to ensure product quality and precision, and has an efficient production and logistics system to ensure timely delivery and flexible adjustment. We have more than 10 R&D staff who focus on innovation and improvement. According to market feedback and technological progress, we continuously improve our products and provide personalized solutions. After more than 3,000 measurements, we have got over 1,000 installation kits to share. Plus, we offer the newest models to help you stay ahead and grab market opportunities. We have just supply chain management to ensure the quality of raw materials and products. Plenty of stock available, and we can customize and deliver in just 3 to 70 days. Meet the needs of large volume orders and have a good sales network in various international markets. Our BONOSS Mercedes AMG wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives driver peace of mind. BONOSS want to provide more additional functions for the wheel spacers and make the wheel spacer safer, high performance, and better installation experience. With that same patient forecast, we think that using high-performance car can rate up the driving experience and add more serious realm. BONOSS, propulsion wheel.